Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of low investment manufacturing, specifically focusing on business ideas that use small machines to create everyday products. This is perfect for those looking to start a business without breaking the bank. Let's explore some fantastic opportunities. First up, soap making. With a small soap making machine, you can create various soaps. The investment is relatively low, and the demand is always high. You can experiment with different scents, colors, and ingredients to create unique products. Consider selling online, at local markets, or to retailers. Next, candle making. Similar to soap making, candle making requires a small investment in a melting pot, molds, and wicks. Candles are always in demand for home decor and gifts. You can specialize in scented candles, soy wax candles, or even themed candles for holidays. Online platforms are great for selling these. Then, let's talk about custom sticker printing. With a sticker making machine, you can print stickers for various purposes. Personal use, business branding, or event promotions. The machine is compact and relatively affordable. Focus on providing high-quality, durable stickers to stand out. Another option is creating customized phone cases. The phone case market is huge. A machine that can print designs on phone cases is a great investment. You can offer personalized designs, photos, or logos. Online stores and local shops are ideal for sales. Consider manufacturing custom keychains. Keychains are popular and relatively easy to make, with a small machine that can cut and engrave materials like metal or plastic. Offer personalized keychains with names, initials, or logos. Target gift shops and online marketplaces. Let's not forget about jewelry making. With the right tools and a small jewelry making machine, you can create custom jewelry, such as earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Experiment with different materials like beads, metals, and gemstones. Selling on Etsy or at craft fairs can be effective. Now, let's discuss producing custom mugs. A mug printing machine allows you to print designs onto mugs. Offer custom designs, photos, or text. This is an excellent gift item for various occasions. You can sell through online stores or local gift shops. Moving on to button making. A button making machine is a simple and inexpensive investment. Create custom buttons for businesses, events, or personal use. Buttons are great for marketing and promotions. Target schools, businesses, and event organizers. Finally, think about producing custom magnets. A magnet making machine is a small, portable option. Offer custom magnets with photos, logos, or designs. Magnets are great for personal use and promotional giveaways. Sell through online platforms and local markets. Remember, research is key. Before starting any business, research the market, understand your target audience, and create a solid business plan. Good luck, and happy manufacturing!